What's up, you guys? It's Alexa and welcome back to my channel. So as I've mentioned in my previous videos, I did just move and I've been wanting to do an apartment tour for you guys. This is basically what today's video is going to be about. I'll be showing you guys around my apartment. It's not that big or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys like the cool little projects and the new things that I've put up. And I didn't move into like a luxury apartment in the middle of Hollywood Hills or anything like that, but this is my first time on my own, moving out by myself and being able to do whatever I want. So this one kind of means a lot to me and I wanted to share this with you guys. I did record some before shots like right when I moved in, so I will play that right now. Like I really don't want to show you guys right now, but I kind of have to, so just understand I just moved, so everything is really messy. Okay, so yeah, I'm still in the middle of painting my dresser. So all of my clothes are literally on the floor. It's literally just a room. I haven't even had my curtains put up yet. We're still sleeping on an air mattress. But here's like a little tour. So this is my bedroom and then my bathroom is in here. And then we come out here and I have like a little living room area. Are you gonna give this tour with us, Oliver? And why I have my fur coats in my kitchen, I do not know. But yeah, so that's my little tour. Okay, so I just got my mattress and I'm so excited because it's a new mattress from Lowell to match my new apartment. Thank goodness that it came in a small, cute little box. I usually need a truck to pick up a mattress, but this was able to fit in my little Honda. Time to unbox this. I should probably not be doing this with one hand. Very dangerous. Cool. It's a jungle out there. Get some sleep. Oh my god, their stuff is so cute. Nice. Look how compact it is. Oh wow, this thing is really thick. Okay, so I managed to get it out of the box and onto my bed. I don't know how I did that. It was really heavy. So now I just have to unwrap the outer plastic and start unrolling it onto my bed. Okay, so I should have probably had someone help me with this because it started to inflate already while I was opening it. But anyways, so oh, that's why. This thing's already open, no wonder it started inflating. So when you take off this plastic area, it's supposed to inflate and it's doing that right now, which is really cool. However, I still need to unroll it. I want it to inflate, not in this position. Oh my god, this thing is so big! Can you guys see Oliver's little head peeking out through there? Woo! Did it. Actually, I was able to do this without anyone's help. It was insanely easy. Oliver, look, we have a bed now. Aren't you excited? He's like, nope, not really. I am so cold right now. But anyways, the bed is finally inflated. Lol. It's so firm and fluffy. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, stupid strap. Wow. Yay! This Lowell mattress is so cozy. I'm living right now. So I've always had an IKEA mattress. My brother ended up throwing that mattress away because he was like, you need a new mattress. This thing is crap. So yeah, I didn't have a mattress when I moved into my apartment. So this is like a dream come true. We can finally sleep on a bed. The camera's on the mattress right now and I'm like moving and the camera's not moving. It's crazy. If Oliver's sleeping on the bed with me, he walks around and decides to be a butthead in the middle of the night, I won't get woken up because sometimes he likes to do that. This is a look right now. I'm a small girl. I am 5'1" and I was able to bring this mattress from my car into my apartment, unbox it, unroll it, everything it all by myself. It was so convenient. I'll definitely give you guys an update after my first night sleeping on this Lowell mattress. Right now I'm gonna cover it up with the gold sheets that I got from Amazon, so I will be right back. Ta-da! Here are my gold satin sheets. They look so silky and so pretty. I probably should have ironed it to make it look nicer, but whatever. It feels so comfy. Ow! Ow! It feels so nice and comfy. Who wants to date me just to sleep on my bed? Because it's really cozy. Not accepting applications at the moment. I can't wait to sleep in this tonight. I'll definitely update you guys in the morning because I am in love. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day after my first night on my Lowell mattress and I must say it was very comfy. I am usually one to toss and turn and kind of just reposition myself while I'm sleeping, but I'm pretty sure I woke up in the same position that I fell asleep in last night. That's how insanely comfortable it is. I didn't have to readjust the way I was sleeping. Even Oliver loves the bed so much he doesn't want to get out. So this is what my apartment looks like afterwards. Definitely a lot better and cuter. First off, can we like please talk about my welcome mat? It's obviously dirty, but I totally glittered it. It was all black, and then I added some Mod Podge and glitter in between these things to kind of make it stand out a little bit more. I wanted it to be like, bam, welcome to my extra AF apartment. So when you walk in, it kind of goes into my living room. My apartment is small in general, but it's only me and Oliver, so I don't need anything like super big or anything like that. What are you doing? Really, right when I'm like filming this? Get out now. These furs are just from downtown LA in the fabric district. This is my wall art. It's still a little empty. I kind of want to fill it up more. Gotta have my queen Brittany, of course. My other queen, Emma Watson. This is like my 6-foot cactus that I brought into my apartment by myself. I have no idea how I did that because this thing is taller than me and probably twice as heavy. And of course my infamous rose backdrop with my Rose Made Me Do It neon sign. Oh my gosh, do I not know how to work my own sign? There we go. I usually have plants here, but they're outside getting a drink of water and getting some sun. Same as here. These books I actually just got at the thrift store for $1, so surprisingly books at the thrift store make great decor. More plants on this side. And this one's dying. Oh, and then over here we have my whole little gemstone setup. I'm going to organize them better. Like this little last row is kind of a mess. These are my smaller gemstones. And then this shelf is my quartz, amethyst, and fluorite. This coffee table is not a coffee table right now. It will be a coffee table, but right now it's just like being held up by my bins. I'm gonna do a project where I cover the top with concrete and then add some copper pipe legs to it. So hopefully that looks cute. I'm sure you guys recognize that from a previous video, my little Chanel flower vase. Obviously got my twinkle lights going on throughout the whole little room here. And here we have my kitchen. It's kind of empty right now. Is it really me if you don't have a bowl of Cheeto bags? This is actually supposed to be a fruit bowl. Didn't want fruit in it, so I put mini hot Cheeto bags. Haha. Propagating my basil plants right here. Bottle of rosé. My cute little fridge. Everyone tells me how small my fridge is, but like, really, you guys? I'm only one person and I don't eat that much anyways. My cute little oven. Just kidding. This isn't really my oven. This is just trim, but wouldn't that be cute if my oven actually came like that? I'm gonna have like a white towel and probably add this trim on. Oh, great. And then another bottle of rosé. And then we have this side, which, you know, just a lot of work to do. Not cute at all. Like, at all. But I will do something with this. It's just kind of like for storage right now. So this is my blinged out trash can. I covered the body with sequins and I'm gonna add more rhinestones on here, like on top of it. But on the lid it says you, because Princess, if you guys don't know who Princess is, she has been in a couple of my videos, but Princess is always forever calling everyone trash, so I thought it would be funny to put you on here. So this trash can is definitely dedicated to my boo Princess. Love her. And then you go into my room, which my room is the only room, obviously. And ta-da! Here is our room. So we got my little Versace decor right there. My satin sheets that Oliver totally snagged. I already knew that was gonna happen. I got my fur coats here because they take up so much space in the closets. Then I have my little shoe display, which is basically shoes slash decor. And my dad helped me set this up. It's literally 3 of these cube organizers and we just like placed it stacked on each other. And my wall decor for my room. Everyone loves a good Supreme Kate Moss. And I'm not really done with this wall yet because obviously that's not a real photo. And I'm just gonna add more stuff. Definitely had to have my boys on my wall, of course. This is just a basic IKEA desk and I'm going to spray paint these legs, probably gold, and add some marble contact paper on the top. That way it could be a little cuter rather than just this ugly black and white mess. And I got my big mirror. And also this is my outfit for today. Got my SImmi shoes on and just like a regular black dress. My BTS harness, and that's pretty much it. And of course, can't forget this little area, which is the little fan art area. I appreciate fan art so much, so I wanted to kind of make it into a little section in my apartment. You guys put so much hard work into making the fan art, and I really wanted to kind of showcase your guys' work. Kind of a little awkward seeing my face plastered on the wall like multiple times, but yeah, super fun. I still need to do something with my makeup. And then you walk into my bathroom, which you guys probably have recognized this. I'm always such a fan of toilet decor. I think it's so fun. So I decided to put this up here. This is probably one of my favorite Drake lines ever because I don't know, I just think it's clever and funny. Got this candle at Marshall's. I just like it because it has a gemstone at the top and it matches the color scheme. I'm on a roll like cottonelle. I was made for all of it. And I'm on roll. Okay, I'm gonna stop rapping. This is not a towel tassel. This is actually for curtains. I'm still in the middle of making this like cute and fixing it up. This is going to be kind of like a little side table. This is just a towel that I got from Home Depot. Those pipes are just PVC pipes that I painted gold. What I wanted to do is kind of have that chipped marble edge. So I have to finish that all around the edge and then I'm gonna paint this gold. But yeah, so this is my cute little side table. I'm probably gonna make another one for my makeup and put it like right there. So yeah, that is that. I also got this in the mail, which is the YouTube plaque, which I wanted to unbox with you guys because I've been waiting for this, so I thought it would be perfect for this video. Oh my god, this is so cool. It says my name right there. Honestly guys, 100k was like my goal, but we just hit 300k I think yesterday or 2 days ago, so I'm just like so shocked and so surprised and just speechless. So thank you guys so much, because without you guys I honestly wouldn't have been able to do any of this. You guys are always there supporting and commenting and just watching my videos, so thank you guys. This is honestly for you guys. So I'm gonna put this little bad boy like up top here because this wall is for my rosebuds and this is for you guys. And I love you guys also very much. So yeah, that concludes my cute little apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys liked what I've done to the place. Obviously it still has a lot of work to do. I'll probably update you guys and you guys will see it like, you know, in the future videos and whenever I do little room shots and stuff like that. But anyways, if you guys want to connect with me on social media, all my socials are at thenavarose. That's pretty much it for this video. I love you guys all and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!